Hello and welcome to Cake. This video goes to one of my subscribers who's been requesting a Jewish bread recipe for quite some time. So today I'm making the super delicious challah bread. If you're new to my channel and you enjoy these types of recipes, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the like button for support. Now let's start. I combine 1 pack of active dry yeast with 2.5 cups of lukewarm water. To this, I add half a cup of honey, 3 eggs, and 30 grams of melted butter or vegetable oil. That's about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Of course, this bread is going to need some salt, so I'm adding 1 tablespoon. This is my melted butter. I'm just going to cool it down before I add it to the bowl. Now I'm going to combine all of these ingredients in the stand mixer. They're going to be whisked together for a minute or two, and then I'm going to switch to the hook attachment and start adding or pouring in about 7.5 cups of flour. This is going to take about 5 minutes in the stand mixer until all of the flour is really well combined and the dough becomes a little stretchy. Then I knead it up by hand and place it in a large bowl which I've greased a bit. Now the dough needs to rest for about 2 to 3 hours in a warm spot, and definitely it has to be a large bowl. After 2 to 3 hours, it will have doubled in volume. Now I'm just going to knead it one more time and cut it into 2 portions, one larger portion and one slightly smaller. Then I'm going to allow these pieces to just rise and rest again for about 30 minutes. The smaller one I'm now going to cut into 3 slices and braid them. With the larger one I'm going to do a 4-strand braid. To make the challah bread super glossy, I brush the loaves generously with 1 egg, and then on one of them I'm going to sprinkle some crushed rock sugar. These are now going to bake for 35 to 40 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit and are going to come out smelling, sounding, looking, and tasting beautiful. That's it. I hope you guys enjoy this bread recipe. Let me know by commenting below and make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you next time.